Hi everyone, today, I want to talk to you about getting rich and money budgeting, tips and tricks. I know that many of you are just starting out in life and might not have a lot of experience with money. That's why it's important to learn how to manage your money effectively and become financially independent. First and foremost, it's important to have a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money each month. It helps you to keep track of your expenses and ensure that you are not overspending. You can create a budget online or on paper, and it's important to stick to it as closely as possible. Another important tip is to save money regularly. You can start by setting aside a small amount of money each week or month. This can go towards savings or investments, and it can help you to build up an emergency fund. When it comes to investing, it's important to do your research and choose wisely. There are many different types of investments, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. It's important to choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Finally, it's important to be mindful of your spending habits. You might find that you have some unnecessary expenses, such as eating out or buying expensive clothes. Try to find ways to cut back on these expenses and instead spend your money on things that are more important to you. In conclusion, getting rich and managing your money effectively takes time and effort. But by following these tips and tricks, you can set yourself up for financial success. Remember to have a budget, save regularly, invest wisely, and be mindful of your spending habits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.